Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay the credit card bill online at HSBC Bank. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do that, first things first is to head over to your actual bank account on HSBC. Now once you have logged in, head over and click onto this transfer option. Now once you have clicked on transfer, next thing you need to do is to just head over and search for HSBC option. You should be able to also see the biller option from there, and then search for HSBC. So just choose in here either MasterCard or Visa. And then from in there, once you have proceeded to the next page, just input where you're going to pay it with. So for example, let's select in here the statement saving, and then send that to that particular biller and put them out. And for the reference, let's input bill payment and click on continue right here in order to proceed with the payment of the bill. So that's basically how you can pay the credit card bill online at HSBC Bank. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.